Good day, Tucson, Arizona. This is Dick Nichols, your go-to guy from Keller Williams, Southern Arizona Realty. And as you know, they call me the go-to guy. They call me the go-to guy because I get it done for you. But I also know who to go to when it comes to getting work done, whether it be a home inspector, a plumber, or even an automobile repair center. And part of my Tucson Best of the Best series is that I am going to recommend and refer you to PV Auto and Performance Center. I know firsthand, I've been going there for about 3.5 years now. They take wonderful care of me, and they even take care of my car. And they're honest, they have a lot of integrity. Whether you talk to David or Melissa, the owner of the center, they will take care of you. So I encourage you, the next time you hear sound coming out of your car, I can't really believe I did that, or did I really do that? Anyway, get my friends at PV Auto and Performance Center at 520-747-9922 and tell them the go-to guy sent you. Have a great day, and God bless you. And don't forget, this is made in the USA too. Bye-bye.